Ever dreamt of having a perfect garden that changes with the seasons? Picture a living canvas, its palette adapting to each season's unique hues. This is the allure of a seasonal garden, an ever-changing spectacle that continually refreshes your outdoor space. Imagine having a vibrant and colorful space that continuously evolves and surprises you. But what exactly makes a seasonal garden so appealing? The allure lies in its ever-changing nature. It's a vibrant tapestry of life that constantly evolves, offering a refreshing variety that keeps the senses engaged. Each season ushers in a unique set of plants, splashing the garden canvas with a new palette of colors. Spring's tender bloom, summer's lush green, autumn's fiery hues, and winter's stark beauty. It's a never-ending cycle of visual delight. Wildlife, too, changes, bringing new visitors. With a seasonal garden, every month brings new wonders to witness. Now you may wonder, how can I create my own seasonal garden? Let's dive right in. First, consider your local climate and soil type. These factors will dictate which plants will thrive in your garden. Next, plan your garden layout. A mix of perennial and annual plants can provide a year-round display. Remember, each season has its own stars. Spring bulbs, summer blooms, autumn foliage, and winter evergreens can all have a place in your garden. Also, don't forget about maintenance. Regular watering, feeding, and pruning will keep your garden looking its best. Your personal preference is key too. Choose plants that you love and that fit your lifestyle. With a bit of planning and care, you can create a garden that delights you every season. A seasonal garden is more than just a beautiful space. It's a living, breathing entity that grows and changes with time. Remember, these magical outdoor oases can infuse joy, instill peace, and inspire a sense of wonder. Don't shy away from crafting your own seasonal garden. Embrace the charm, enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Together, we can make the world a little greener, one garden at a time.